Have you ever wondered about financial security and retirement planning? Well, meet Juan, an ordinary man from a bustling city in the Philippines who transformed his financial future through discipline, dedication, and smart planning. Juan worked tirelessly as a delivery driver, earning just enough to meet his needs. Despite his long hours and dedication to his job, he realized the importance of planning for his future. One day, while on his delivery route, Juan overheard a group of elderly folks discussing the importance of saving and investing for retirement. Inspired by their conversation, he decided to seek their advice on how to secure his future. They shared stories of their own trials and triumphs in saving and investing. They emphasized the importance of setting aside a portion of his earnings for savings and exploring various investment opportunities to grow his money over time. Inspired by their advice, Juan began learning about different ways to save and invest his hard-earned money. He opened a savings account in a local bank and started setting aside a portion of his earnings each month. Additionally, he learned about mutual funds, stocks, and real estate investments as potential ways to grow his wealth. Over the years, Juan's disciplined approach to saving and investing paid off. His savings grew steadily, and his investments yielded a good return. By the time Juan reached retirement age, he had accumulated enough money to live comfortably and enjoy his golden years without financial worries. Juan's story spread across the Filipino market, inspiring many to secure their future by saving and investing wisely for a prosperous retirement. Juan's journey from a hardworking delivery driver to a financially secure retiree serves as a beacon for those seeking ways to save and invest wisely for a progressive retirement. In conclusion, Juan's story serves as a reminder to us all that with dedication, discipline, and smart financial planning, anyone can achieve their dream of a safe and comfortable retirement. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start planning for your future. After all, your future self will thank you.